All right, y'all. So if you want to see how I transformed my braid locks from this to this, definitely stay tuned. Hi everyone. So today I want to basically go over what I'm doing. So right now I am taking out the braids and doing twists, two-strand twists. I have so many reasons why I decided to go ahead with the two-strand twist. One is mainly because of some things I've been researching, and it's not really going along with my healthy journey or my how would I put this, the goals that I have for my hair and my journey with me being a loc. So I decided to go ahead and take them out and do the two-strand twist method. So one reason that I did see is that basically with braid locks, what I researched was that in order for you to maintain them, you have to basically do like a monthly retwist or like interlocking. And me, the goal that I'm trying to do, I'm actually trying to do semi free-forming, and that's not really gonna go well with that, due to the fact that it said it can cause a lot of breakage if you do not maintain the braid locks. Also, I did notice that I did them too big in regards to the braids, so that would have made them very heavy on my roots, and I did not want to do that. So I decided to go with the two-strand twist because I know that it will swell. I know that even with me doing the size that I'm doing, that they're gonna get to the size that I want. I want, full hair. I want big locks. I don't mind them being big, okay? They don't have to be small. I just want healthy hair, and that's all that matters to me. Also, I did notice that they were stating a lot of people were complaining about their hair not being locked after so long, and if it were locked, that you would still see the braided ends, or you would still see some of the braids. And I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I wish I would have thought about it and had, someone actually guide me in the right direction, but it took me in my own researching to do that. Oh, let me see here. So I've already done this side, and I'm basically, that's the twist right there. That's the twist. Braid lock journey anymore. Just want you guys to know that. But that does not mean I'm not on my lock journey. I'm going to continue to do my lock journey. Mainly, I want my hair to just be free, and I don't want to have to worry about if I don't do it, it starts breaking off because the dread is so heavy, but my roots are a fan for me having to retwist them because I can't leave them to be free. So I want to be able to be free, and I've seen so much success with two-strand twists. I'm gonna do, and believe it or not, we're pretty quickly with this, and I am using a little bit of wax, just a little bit. You can't even see it, just to put something in here, just to keep it from thinking about unraveling. So that's what I'm gonna do. More lights, anyone?
I'm doing some more light. Unless we got one from upstairs.
Alright y'all, so I'm all done with it. I hope that this is a somewhat better journey than the one that I was on previously. Like I said, I want to make sure that I'm doing everything the right way. And I mean, because this is serious to me. Like, once my hair is locked, there's no turning back. Please forgive these. They always look like this, but I promise they're there. They're there. So, that's the hair. And I did my parts like that because I want small ones. I don't want to have to worry about all that. I guess I'm gonna be freeforming. So I did them about this size right here. And I haven't done a count yet, but I will definitely do a count when I do my update video on my journey. Method. I have about 85 locks or 85 starter locks in my head. And I've seen several YouTube videos on the traditional locks and how many they have and stuff. So I'm pretty much okay. I know it's gonna swirl, and I'm pretty much ready for that. My camera, not my phone. But I wanted to give you guys an update of my journey. This is already pre-recorded, so when you guys see this, I'll be further along in my journey. But I just wanted to go ahead and record now, just in case I don't get that many pics in. So yeah, so that's what I did, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated like I said I would. And I also know that I can get a cap and wash my hair. So while I am in the starter lock phase, I can definitely get a cap, and that's what I'm gonna do because my hair been itching. Ends look very thin. That's because I braided the ends. Yep, so that's what that is. Give me 1 second. Yes.
What you doing?
I'm doing the video.
Not
You can say hey, and then you gotta let me finish.
okay. Hey.
Come closer. They can't see you.
Hey.